Hey friend, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute, but I'm so glad you're here, especially if you're first-time mom or getting ready to be one. Today, let's talk about something that's usually left out of the conversation, what the first week of postpartum recovery actually feels like, physically, emotionally, and mentally. So, if you're looking for real honest, no fluff support, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. There's more coming your way to help you feel calm, confident, and cared for in the fourth trimester. Let's start with emotions because they stick up fast. Most moms expect to feel tired, maybe a little sore, but not many expect to cry when someone asks, "How are you doing?" Or feel totally overwhelmed just trying to decide what's for dinner. In that first week, hormones are crashing, sleep is minimal, and everything feels a little shaky. Here's what's important to know. Unfortunately, that's normal. It doesn't mean something's wrong. It means that your body is recovering. It's okay to feel joy and sadness at the same time. Definitely okay to ask for help. That's not weakness, it's being wise. Your job is not to bounce back. Your job is to recover, bond with your baby, and rest. If you want a gentle roadmap for this challenging week 1, download the free Week 1 Postpartum Recovery Guide below. It will walk you through what to expect and how to care for yourself both physically and mentally. Now, let's talk rest. You might expect a nap when the baby naps, but newborns, they don't always follow a schedule. Even when they do, your brain might still be running at full speed. Here's what's often missed. Rest isn't just sleep, it's slowing down. It's letting someone else hold the baby so you can take a hot shower or eat a sandwich without bouncing a newborn in your lap. Doing nothing in those early days, that's doing everything. Because recovery takes energy. And what you just did, that was big. Now let's talk about everybody's favorite topic, feeding. Whether it's breastfeeding, pumping, formula, or all three, feeding is a full-time job in week 1. Well, newborns usually eat every 2 to 3 hours. Some don't follow a clock. Why should they? What matters is that they eat around 8 to 12 times per day. And with that comes a lot of questions. Is my baby getting enough? Why does the latch feels wrong? And why do I feel like everything I'm doing seems to be wrong? Here's the truth. Feeding is a skill, did you hear me? For you and your baby. And yes, it does get better. But support helps. So if possible, work with a lactation consultant if you're breastfeeding as soon as you can after your baby's birth. Don't wait. Inside the Positive Postpartum Experience, we can talk about those challenges and troubleshooting tips and calm step-by-step guidance. This program has a unique benefit of a concierge email support to ensure you get the answers that you need. It's like having a postpartum coach in your back pocket. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now, let's get into the physical recovery. Even if you know what to expect, nothing quite prepares you for what it really feels like. The swelling, the soreness, the bleeding, and some pain. Whether you had a C-section, a tear, or a smooth delivery, your body's been through something major. And yes, constipation is real. So is struggling to pee. So is feeling like a stranger in your own body. Here's what you need to know. Mesh underwear, life-changing. Peri bottles, absolute essential. And healing, it takes time. You are not broken. You are healing. Here's the truth every new mom needs to hear. You are doing enough. Your baby doesn't need a perfect mom. They just need you. If you got out of bed, changed a diaper, fed your baby, or just had them close today, you're winning. You're doing great. If this video helped even a little, please hit that like button so more moms can find honest postpartum support. Don't forget, grab your free Week 1 Postpartum Recovery Guide. It's detailed, simple, and exactly what should have been handed to you before you leave the hospital. And if you're ready for that next level support, check out the Positive Postpartum Experience, my signature program built for ambitious first-time moms who wants real guidance during those first 12 weeks. Whoa, what a ride. You got this though. And on the days it doesn't feel like it, I'm just a click away. Be good to yourself, grab snacks when you can, and remember, mesh underwear is a rite of passage. See you in the next one.